Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard candy fruit. First, gather your essential ingredients like sugar, corn syrup, and your chosen fruit flavorings. Next, prepare your workspace with the right tools, including molds and a candy thermometer. We'll cover the critical temperature stages to ensure your candy has the perfect consistency. Finally, you'll learn how to add vibrant colors and delicious fruit flavors for a truly custom treat. To begin, you'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of light corn syrup. Also, measure out 3/4 cup of water, along with your preferred fruit flavoring and food coloring. For tools, ensure you have a heavy-bottomed saucepan, a reliable candy thermometer, and silicone molds. Don't forget to prepare a baking sheet lined with parchment paper for easy cooling. Now let's cook the candy. Combine the sugar, corn syrup, and water in your heavy-bottomed saucepan. Heat this mixture slowly over medium heat, stirring gently until all the sugar completely dissolves. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let it boil until your candy thermometer reads exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully remove it from the heat, then quickly stir in your chosen fruit flavor and food coloring. With your flavored mixture ready, it's time to shape your candy. Carefully pour the hot liquid into your prepared silicone molds. If you prefer, you can also pour it onto parchment paper for a more free-form broken candy style. Allow the candy to cool completely and harden, which usually takes at least 30 minutes. Once firm, gently remove the pieces from their molds and store your delicious hard candy fruit in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.